Hi folks, my name is Raheem Nahim here at MarineMax Miami. We're here to show you the new 2019 Scout 255 Dorado. This particular boat was ordered shark gray hull color. Beautiful color, nice modern color. Let's step on board so we can show you how this boat's laid out. This boat's laid out very nicely. We'll start here in the back, how they put the 4 rod holders here, where they're nice and straight when you're running gunning. Here, the layout, we have a nice L-shaped seating. This seat's electric, so it gives you a nice full lounge seat. Great shade. Nice grab handle. Here it comes with a recessed Yeti cooler. Nice little track drawer. Little bar. Now we come right here. See how Scout kind of is making their Garmin's nice and flush, so it follows through nicely. Passenger chair, stand-up style. You can fit 2 in there. Captain's chair, nice size. That's something you'd see in a bigger boat. We go here, nice little trash can, needed. If you go towards the bow, you'll see nice seating. Recessed windlass. You can control it from up here and from the helm. Take a nice view from the bow to the stern. Look how wide the boat is, good space. We're powering this 255 Dorado with a standard package, twin Yamaha 150s, 4-cylinder, very efficient. Boat handles beautifully with these motors. Well folks, that's all. Please look for us on YouTube, and thank you for joining us. Have a good day.